In the last section, we patched a module to add an update to it. In this section, what we're going to do is upgrade the module without losing our patch. So we're dealing with the Advanced Help module. So let's go ahead and download the latest version. I'm going to hop on the internet, and in Google, I'm going to do a search for Advanced Help Drupal. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the topmost link, and then we're going to download the latest tarball. And if you have the option of extracting the files as you download it, go ahead and skip that part and simply save the file instead of extracting it. And once your download is complete, go ahead and navigate to it. And what we're going to do is copy this and go over to our website directory and paste it into the Sites All Modules contrib directory, or whatever directory your Advanced Help module is in. So the idea here is that when we normally do an upgrade that doesn't involve patches, we can simply remove the original directory and create the new directory for our module. But in this case, we've added a modification. We have this patches folder inside of Advanced Help. And so we want a sustainable way to be able to upgrade our module without losing these patches, because once they're gone, it might be a little hard to track down the fact that we did have a patch and that it wasn't applied to our new version of the module. Now, if you're working with Windows, this isn't really a problem because you can extract the entire folder, drag it over, and it will only replace those files that exist already, leaving everything else that got added to that folder. On other systems like a Mac, you'll need to extract the files over the existing files using an untar command instead of simply dragging it over, because that will destroy our patches folder. So right now, we can see that we have our patches folder, and then we have our 3 files that are inside of our Advanced Help module folder. Now let's go ahead and jump over to the command line and extract these. I'm going to go ahead and clear the back scroll. So let's go ahead and see where we are in the directory structure with the pwd command. So we're in the Sites All Modules contrib Advanced Help folder. Let's go ahead and navigate up to the contrib directory. So I'm going to do cd .. which will move us up 1. And now if we did a listing, we would see our Advanced Help tar file here and our Advanced Help module folder here. So now let's go ahead and do our untar. So we're going to begin with the tar command, and then we're going to pass it the x, v, and f parameters. And then we're going to type in the name of our tar file. And when we have that set, we can hit enter. It shows us everything that was extracted. And if we jump back to our module folder, we'll see here in our modules contrib Advanced Help folder, we now have several new folders, and our patches folder is still here. Now at this point, the modifications to the module file that were made when we ran the patch are gone, but we can now reapply all of the patches that are inside of this folder, or at least evaluate them to see if we need to bring them into this updated version of the module. Once we've applied any patches that we need to apply, we would then head over to our website and see if there are any database updates that need to be made by going to Reports, Status Report, and then any database updates would trigger a link here that you could click in order to run the database updates that need to be run.